Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be doing the DSG service on the Mk5 Golf. Stay tuned. Alrighty, we've got the fluid down there. We are heading over to my parents' place because he has the filter part of it, and going back to the OG Harrods garage. So let's do it. Alright, just pulling up now. Hopefully we can fix that belt as well. That is really annoying. There it is, the OG house.
GoPro.
Yeah.
GoPro.
Does look pretty clean.
54 degrees, 53, 51, 52 degrees. So the sun that check the level. We've done and say, they say the dry fill I think is about 6.5 litres or something, but you'd be going to get 4.5, 5, and
We've got 5 litres there.
So they reckon that's where you fill it up from.
Yeah, how do you pronounce that?
Doppelkupplungs Raid. Doppel?
Double clutch transmission oil.
Yeah, couples. So yeah, this was Lisa's in there. That's probably why it's got a bit too much in there, maybe. If it's been leaked, hasn't been tight because it was down. Yeah, so the transmission oil when it's thin would be going past the thread a bit.
Yep.
And weeping back into that excess chamber. So how we fill it up?
What do they also say? Just also measure what comes out and put that back in.
Did they?
I've read a few things like that.
Yeah. Because the longer you leave it, see you've got, it's got a torque converter, hasn't it been in auto? Should do. Unless it's got a clutch in it, is it?
Dual clutch?
Dual clutch, is it?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's going to be hard to fill with, because we've got to have that in there. And then, so the actual tool to fill it, I'm going to see what I can find to go up there, because we're going to have something in there, aren't we?
Yeah.
To fill it up. Is it that being the level at 35 to 45 degrees C?
Or what was it? You put that in and then fill it from the top. When it starts to come out, that's it.
Yeah, fill it from there. Well, we can see at the oil filter.
Yeah.
Yeah, they say don't tighten this too much because if you break it off, pain in the ass. Well, like I said, it was loose.
Alright, so we're just working out how to fill it up. That's actually a bit of airline hose wedged up in there, and lay around to here and get a funnel onto that, and we'll slowly fill it up. And I believe we'll change the filter, which is down here somewhere. This isn't a how-to. Alright guys, I'm just showing you that we're doing it. You see my bypass valve? Nope.
Goes down. See if we've got any leaks.
Can't even see it in there.
Actually,
Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
I was just going to say.
Do you want to take the... It's going up. It's going up.
Sorry?
Might need to take the filter off to allow it to breathe.
What filter?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. There should be a breather on the transmission, but it may be...
that went down really slow.
Yeah, but I didn't have much in there. So a little bit more weight behind it. I'll go and get 24 socket and see if we can get that.
Oh, got other stuff in there.
See, I can see it's well in there, good.
Yes. Cool, cool. Slow process. The tide's slowly going down. How many beers will it take to finish this?
How many's in the fridge? Half a dozen.
I think that's how the Subaru guys judge how long things will take.
Yeah.
Get 3 beers and...
Nope. Yeah.
3 down. 2 to go. Just had it running. Just getting it up to temp, so... well, about 35 degrees.
I'm wondering whether that would have made any difference, that tube being really loose.
What do you mean?
In the transmission oil would have been leaking. Well, could have been.
Is it the overfill?
Yeah. Because you see there was a bit that come out, wasn't there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, read that.
Calm down.
It's only 2021. Maybe we'll run it a little bit longer.
Alright.
It's just gonna once it warms up a bit more, it's gonna increase the level anyway, so
Yeah. Alrighty guys, I am done, or we are done with the Golf. Going to pick up Marley now from his friend's place. But yeah, it was the little drain tube in the DSG was actually loose, and there's a litre and a half or so in the actual overflow part, so that might have been an issue, but we are all good now. So most likely the level was low in the actual transmission, that's why we had a bit of issue, but driving fine. So yeah, so all done. Just gonna go in and grab Marley, and that is it for this video. Might have been a short one, may not be, but If you did enjoy this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next video. Bye.